Hey friends, if you encounter the error Windows could not find a driver for your network adapter, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to update the network adapter driver. So search for device manager in the Windows search bar and expand the list for network adapters. Right click on the MediaTek Wi-Fi adapter and select update drivers. Click on search automatically for drivers. The next solution is to uninstall and reinstall these network adapter drivers. So go to the same page, expand network adapter drivers, right click on the MediaTek Wi-Fi adapter and then select uninstall device. Then click on action and select scan for hardware changes. It will detect new drivers and then reinstall them. The next solution is to run the hardware and devices troubleshooter. I'll help you with this. Press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. Paste this command here, which is msdt space -id space device diagnostic, and hit enter. This will open the hardware and devices troubleshooter, and then click on next and it will start detecting for problems and resolve them if possible. The next solution is to run the network adapter troubleshooter. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select troubleshoot and then select other troubleshooters. Click on run corresponding to the network adapter troubleshooter. The last solution is to run system restore. Search for recovery in the Windows search bar and open the recovery window. Click on open system restore. Now if system protection is not enabled, then you will always have to configure it or at least create a system restore point. Okay, and this can be used later when you wish to restore your system to an earlier date. You will simply have to crawl back to that system restore point that you're creating at this stage. Okay, so open system restore, click on next, select the restore point, click on next once again, and then click on finish to initiate the system restore process. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.